Hello guys, streaming. That's your favorite potato from our God bro, Kelly Chukwuebuka. So guys, my babies are doing awesome. My girls are doing wonderful. As you can see, these guys are doing wonderful. So today's our day four. Today's our day four, and guys, I'll be showing you guys secret to avoid mortality during brooding. Yes, secret to avoid mortality during brooding. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to go and subscribe. Okay, please do well to go and subscribe. So whenever I release a new video, you get it automatically. So I'll be showing you guys secrets to avoid mortality during brooding. So today is our day four. So and these guys are doing awesome. Remember when they came in, we gave them. They came in the morning. We gave them milk in the morning. In the evening, we gave them multivite. Okay, and these guys, let me just show you their weight. Their weight when they came in. Yeah, so this is their weight. This is their weight when they came. Day one. They came in on the 1st of October. That's Independence Day. They came in on the day one. You see, what we had was 45 gram. So when you convert it to kg, you are getting 0.045 kg. You're still using one bag, and this is you're still using one bag is 51 chick. Now, 51 chick, no mortality yet. And on the second day, the weight is doubled. As you can see, these guys, we are feeding them alubitin, continuous feeding, alubitin. On the day two, when we weigh their weight, we are getting 85 gram. And when you convert it to kg, you are getting 0.85 kg. And still using one bag. Now on the day three, guys, 104 gram. 104. When you convert it to kg, you are getting 0.104 kg. Guys, this guy are doing awesome. Now let me tell you about this bed. Now this is not my bed actually. A client called me on TikTok that can I help her to raise chicken from day 0 to 6 weeks. She wants to use it by December. So no problem. My other beds are there. We have like 100 on that side. And guys, this guy are doing awesome. So I just want to make video of the breeding system, the breeding process of these guys. Okay, I know this guy are small, just 50 that is here. It's for a client by December. Should be coming to carry them by December. I have my own there. My own are 100. My own are around. It should be by 3 weeks now. Yeah, it should be by 3 weeks. I have another space there that can contain 100 beds. Okay, so this guy are doing awesome. So I just want to show you guys video of how secrets to avoid mortality during breeding. So number one. So now what is the number one secret? So guys, I'm going to be disturbing you guys. Sorry. So number one secret is remove the newspaper used in breeding at day 4. Now let me show you something. Come closer, come. Now you see this? This is already getting wet. Now if you leave this, I shall see. Now if you leave this to stay here for extra 1 week, it will cause them CRD and diarrhea. When I mean CRD and diarrhea, chronic respiratory disease. You see this guy, you start, because of their breathing, everywhere is tight. We are covered everywhere, no air. We only release we only leave air to go out. When at a long period of time, we'll just open up to air to go out a little bit. So we are airtighting the room. Now imagine you are airtighting the room and this newspaper is already wet. These guys will be inhaling moisture, amino moisture from this litter material, from the newspaper, and it's not good for them. When they start inhaling it, it causes them chronic respiratory disease, and it causes them diarrhea. You see them start excreting blood or white feces. Okay, so number 2, you see this guy. Sorry. Now you see this guy. Please, at day 4, remove this guy. Change it to this guy. You get? Now, what are my reasons? Now, you see, come closer, please. Now, you see, these guys are defecating inside this feeder, inside this tray. As you can see, this is their feces. Now, they are defecating here, they are pooing here, and they are still feeding here. It's not good. Now, their feces alone can cause them diseases. It can still cause them chronic respiratory disease. Yes, it can still cause them chronic respiratory disease. So, and also they waste feed. Let me show you something. Just come closer. See, this is the amount of feed these guys are wasting. And it's not good. So that is what we'll be doing. Number 1, remember, we are removing this newspaper. It's not good for them. Number 2, we are changing this to the bigger tray, to the bigger feeder. Sorry. the bigger feeder because they can't poo here and they can't waste feed here. Okay, so number three is we are increasing the height of their water. So I noticed that they normally bend down so much to collect water, to sip water from the drinker, and it's not good for them because these guys, when they bend down too much, it's called them stress on their neck, and stress can easily kill them. Stress can easily kill them. This baby chick, we don't want to stress them at this moment. We don't want to stress them. So that's what we do. So this is the height we are giving them. We're adding this height to their age class. Okay. So guys, my babies have been awesome. My girls have been awesome. Now, remember this is cup 500. Cup 500 is good. Cup 500 is good for cup 500 can stay for 8 weeks, 5 to 8 weeks, 7 weeks, 9 weeks without nothing happening to them. In as much you're taking care of them very, very well. So guys, that is what we'll be doing today. So let me show you something. Just look at these guys have started developing their feather. They started developing feather. Although they cannot use this feather now. Why we are giving them heat is that they cannot use this feather to control their weather. No, they can't use it. It's after 2 weeks they can easily use their feather to control their weather. For now, they can't even control. That's why I'm their learning. I'm the one like they're learning for now. I'm taking care of them, super taking care of them. Okay. So guys, remember these are the secrets to avoid mortality during brooding. Now, remove the newspaper number 1. Remove the newspaper number 1. Number 2, you remove the feeder tray. Add a big feeder. Number 3, you increase the height of the water. Okay, so that is it. So guys, sorry. Okay, sorry. So that's what we'll be doing today. Sorry. Sorry. So guys can see now we are done with everything. As you can see the way these guys are enjoying themselves. As you can see they are dust bathing. So basically we added charcoal to their litter let me just show you. We added charcoal to their wood shaving. Yeah, so that's what we added. We added charcoal to their wood shaving to avoid, we don't want the litter to smell, we don't want to see fly on the litter material. Okay, that was right. Now the essence of putting that newspaper, we don't want the essence of putting the newspaper is to differentiate between the feed and sawdust. So these guys will not be feeding on the wood shaving. Now, do not use sawdust for brooding. Please do not, as a poultry farmer, actually broiler poultry farmers, do not use sawdust for brooding. Sawdust is not good for them. Use wood shaving. After brooding, you can change to after brooding, leave another 1 week. You can change to sawdust because sawdust can cause chronic respiratory disease because at the very tender age these guys feed on sawdust. Okay, so guys, we'll be checking their weight today. Remember today is our day 4 and on the day 3 we got 104 gram. So today we'll be checking their weight. We want to see if there's improvement. Okay, remember we'll feed these guys allobitin, and when you are feeding them use good feed. During brooding is when you get the weight you want that will give them 6 weeks. It is during brooding you lay the foundational weight for them. During brooding, that's why we feed them. As you can see, this is their feed. We feed them allobitin, continuous feeding. Their feed will never go dry of feed. Their feeder will never go dry of feed. Allobitin, continuous feeding. Okay, so guys, these guys during brooding they need everything they need to be comfortable. Food, water, good litter material, biosecurity is very important. Okay, so I've shown you the secrets to avoid mortality during brooding. Remove your litter material. Remove your newspaper. Don't allow your newspaper to get wet. Change the feeder to normal feeder. Then increase the height of your drinker. Okay, so guys, let's check the weight of this bird to know their weight for today. So guys, I actually brought out this for to check their weight. Okay, I actually brought out this for. So what I did, I picked two from here, So I don't want to like. So let's check their weight. Let's check their weight. Come on. Sorry. So this is 111. Awesome. This is 111. Day 4, 111 gram. Sorry. Remember on the day 3 we got 104. 104, sorry. Let's check this guy. See 111. Guys, their feed conversion is awesome. That FCR is awesome. Feed conversion rate is wonderful. I love this, okay? At day 3 we're already getting 100. At day 3 we're already getting 101. Guys, it's awesome. At day 4 already their weight is also massively increasing. Sorry. Still 111, guys. You see, when you feed your bird well, you get the weight you are looking for. Still 111. This shows that these guys are going uniformly. They are going uniformly. No stunted growth. No. This one is growing more than this one. These guys are growing uniformly. So let's test the last one. Let's just check the last one. Sorry. From the stubborn. So this is 110. Hey. Sorry, 110. See that, guys? My birds are doing awesome. Their weight is awesome. So guys, when you have this, when you apply this secret, when you apply this secret I just showed you now, you will get your bird no mortality, and they will grow uniformly without mortality. They will grow uniformly. As you can see, my birds are doing awesome. Remember, this is for a client. Okay? And we have 100 at the other side. Those guys are only 3 weeks. Okay, so guys, that's your favorite poultry farmer. God bold, courage, people. Do these secrets and you will enjoy your breeding system. Remember, we are still breeding, we are still giving them heat till on Tuesday we'll make them 1 week till 2 weeks. Okay, thank you so much. Please subscribe. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.